Today we'll provide you with valuable tips and tricks on how to enjoy your meals while wearing clear aligners.
AlignerCo's clear aligners offer a convenient and discreet way to straighten your teeth. Here's how you can navigate your eating and drinking routines with ease. When it's time to eat, simply remove your clear aligners to avoid any discomfort or potential damage. Store them safely in their case to keep them clean and protected. Remember to maintain good oral hygiene. Before reinserting your aligners, make sure to brush and floss your teeth thoroughly. It's important to note that hot beverages such as coffee or tea can deform the shape of clear aligners. Be sure to let them cool before enjoying them. If you're indulging in a snack or a meal on the go, consider carrying a travel-sized toothbrush and toothpaste for quick cleanups before reinserting your aligners. Staying hydrated is essential, but when drinking anything other than water, it's best to remove your aligners to prevent staining or discoloration.
Remember, consistency is key. Wear your aligners for the recommended duration each day to ensure effective and timely results. AlignerCo's clear aligners are designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, allowing you to eat and drink with confidence and ease.